3, 2, 1.
What is a female manatee known as? The answer is D, a cow. Name the first lady who reportedly crocheted 3,500 pairs of slippers. The answer is D, Ida Saxton McKinley. The Three Sisters are mountains in which country? The answer is A, Canada. What tool do you use to saw wood? The answer is C, drill. How fast can a domestic cat sprint? The answer is B, 30 mph. What was the first computer to use integrated circuits? The answer is B, Intel 4004. Warm water from the equator mixes with cold water from where? The answer is D, the poles. What's green, crunchy, and often found on burgers? The answer is A, lettuce. At the end of the movie 8 Mile, B-Rabbit decides to go to the shelter again. He beats Licky, Split, and Lotto. Who did he win against in the third tournament? The answer is D, Papa Doc. Which of these famous people was not an epileptic? The answer is C, Otto von Bismarck. What organ eliminates solid wastes that remain after the digestion of food? The answer is D, the large intestine. In the movie Wedding Crashers, Claire's boyfriend gets sick after dinner. What did John put in his drink to make him sick? The answer is A, eye drops. Who was Sonny's first fan letter from on the show Sonny with a Chance? The answer is A, Eric. What speeds up chemical reactions inside cells? The answer is A, catalysts. What musician is a founding member and guitarist of the popular rock band Kiss as well as writer of the band's biggest hits? The answer is C, Paul Stanley. Around what percentage of the Earth's surface water is contained in the ocean? The answer is B, 97%. Which city hosted the 1968 Summer Olympics? The answer is A, Rio de Janeiro. If TJ went to the circus with $10 and bought some fruit snacks for $3, how much money would TJ then have left over? The answer is B, $7. The song Send in the Clowns from the musical A Little Night Music was specifically written for which actress? The answer is A, Glynis Johns. Who was the architect of the Taj Mahal? The answer is D. Ustad Ahmad Lahori. Which appliance keeps food cold? The answer is A. Fridge freezer. Which gas makes up a large portion of the Earth's atmosphere? The answer is C. Nitrogen. What is the name of the Norse god associated with thunder and lightning? The answer is B. Thor. Which fictional cat was forever chasing Tweety Bird? The answer is B. Sylvester. What is the world's deepest underground pool? The answer is A. Blue hole. Who was the Greek messenger of the gods? The answer is B. Hermes. What does the MRI machine scan using? The answer is D. Magnetic fields. What was the name of Abraham's first wife? The answer is B. Sarah. What is the title of Mel Blanc's autobiography, published in 1988? The answer is A. That's Not All, Folks. Which school supply is not a writing tool? The answer is D. Eraser. In which way are rainforests and coral reefs different from ecosystems with few species? The answer is B. The food web is more stable and lasting. The Cro-Magnons, considered virtually identical to contemporary humans, were discovered in France in which year? The answer is B. 1868. Who coined the term tabula rasa? The answer is A. John Locke. Which element is used in fluorescent lights? The answer is A. Mercury. How many meters can be swum underwater in swimming races from the start and from each turn? The answer is D. 15. Which statement explains why daylight and darkness occur on Earth? The answer is A. The Earth rotates on its axis. Which country was the first to have internet access in 1965? The answer is D. Russia. What is used for writing equations or formulas? The answer is D. Marker. In the movie Fletch, Fletch finds out that Gail Stanwyck is not Alan's only wife. Who else is Alan married to? The answer is B. Sally Ann Kavanagh. Which language was spoken by Socrates? The answer is C. Hebrew. What fills the epidermal cells that make up fingernails and toenails? The answer is C. Keratin. What shape is macaroni? The answer is C. Tubular. Who is the author of the book To Kill a Mockingbird? The answer is A. Harper Lee. In the movie Anchorman, Brian Fantana attempts to hit on Veronica. What special cologne does he apply for this occasion? The answer is A. Sex Panther. What is the largest known structure in space? The answer is C. The Magellanic Clouds. Isotopes have different number of these in their nuclei? The answer is D. Neutrons. The strength of an acid depends on how many of which ions it produces when it dissolves in water. The answer is D. Hydrogen. Which of these popular musicians/bands is not Irish? The answer is A. Take That. Which work by James Joyce has a stream of consciousness narrative style? The answer is B. Ulysses. What is the ratio of the length of the side of a right triangle opposite an angle of 30 degrees to the hypotenuse, according to trigonometric ratios?